Am I crooked? Hey guys, it's me. So today we're going to be doing a random Amazon haul, and it's going to be a quick one, so let's just get into it. So first things first is that I had a little, not a scare, what is it called? I just thought, I had, what I'm talking about. I just thought that I might have C19, so I went ahead and ordered, let me just put it in the box. This thermometer. Of course she's barking. So, am I crooked? Okay, so I went ahead and ordered this because it's the no contact one, and yeah, and it came with batteries and everything, so I just went ahead and, what's my temperature? Was that 97.9? Okay, and then next thing I got was I haven't taken it out of the box or put it together, so I'm just gonna show you the box. Okay, I'm out of breath. Okay, so I just got an easel. Says T sign 66-inch aluminum field easel with bag, black. So I just got this to go with these, and the paint that I bought a couple videos back, and then also to go with that. Where is it? Also to go with that, I bought these, and they're so cute. Look, they're pink, and it's like a warm pink, which is the best type of pink. Sorry, I'm staring at it. Okay, so it's called 4-piece pink paint tray birthday painting party. But I'm gonna have the stuff linked down below anyways. Okay, so my last two things, I'm gonna do another one and actually order like more usable thing. Like, the stuff is usable, but it's not interesting. But if you guys recall, I got these in another video. Okay, I got these in another video, and I wanted the whole shebang, because when I color with colored pencils, I color with crayons as well. So I got these to go with those, which is the same thing, just crayon style. It has, more skin colors and stuff like that, which is weird to me because the colored pencils of Colors of the World don't have greens and blues in them. It's mostly just skin colors, whereas the crayons for Color of the World have green and blue in them, but whatever. And then I ordered this big heffa box of what is it called? Colored pencils, and this is just your regular colors. I mean, they're all regular colors, but you know what I'm talking about. So I got 100 box of those, and I also got the 96 box of crayons to go with that, so I can color with both, and I can finally finish that daggone Bowsette drawing. So yeah, that's a really quick Amazon haul. All my hauls coming up are gonna be longer. Let me think. The running back and forth that I've done already, I'm gonna be out of breath. Okay, guys. Okay, so my next things, I got two of these actually, because I can't really eat normal ice cream. I do still, but it tears my stomach up all the time, which kind of is a side note because I'm still gonna put regular ice cream in here. But one of my favorite ice cream flavors is not cookies and cream, is cookie dough, and I can't eat gluten, so I found these like edible cookie dough pieces. So I'm gonna get like French vanilla ice cream and mix in that edible cookie dough, and then put them in these, which, if it'll focus, is an ice cream pint. So I can get my own ice cream, mix it together, and put it in here and freeze it, so it's like a little ice cream. And so I got 2 of those. I got these from Marshall's. And then last but not least, I got this. Now, I don't give 2 flying fricks for the, like, this one is cute, but I don't really care about bunnies. So this one and this one, well, this doesn't have a bunny, but it's still kind of ugly because it has like, it's not gonna focus, but it has like little speckles on it. Speckles, I don't like that. Well, I don't like, if you're gonna put speckles, the white should be the speckles, not the pink, you know? I don't know. But anyway, I got this bowl, and it has like a little pour spout on it, because I have pans and stuff, and they're pink, like pans and like baking dishes, and they're all pink. So I thought this was cute. It's cute. And I saw another one at TJ Maxx that I went to today. It was just a different color. So if you guys like this, they're like $15 at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, or whatever. They're the same company. So yeah, that's all I really have for today. Just a quick Amazon haul of some random crap I got. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.